What's up, everybody? This is part 3 of the canyon run, the ride where my buddy wrecks his ZX. You're going to see it from my perspective. He was riding good all day, and then we all decided to do some stupid shit. I agree. It was completely, I take blame for it. If I, would have not did what I did, I don't think he would have wrecked, but you'll see when we get to that part. My error, his error, and then my error after his error of him hitting the guardrail. Other than that, I'm just gonna kind of like talk over this beginning footage because this is when we leave the gas station. And once we get to the part where I notice him go down, I'm gonna kind of like talk over it and explain what happened, my thought process, and just overall opinion. But I'm going to go ahead and let the video play out from here. I don't think I'll upload the full ride back, because my GoPro died eventually. But I did talk about it a little bit. But if you guys do want to see the ride back from the same day, I'll upload it. Just let me know in the comments. But other than that, I don't know if I will or not. I got other things I want to kind of work on. But I'm going to go ahead and let it play out from here after this roundabout, and you guys will see what happens. Thank you.
Play my liked music on Spotify.
passed that car into a blind curve, which on our part was stupid, and I know he was following me behind me, which is why I'm checking my rear view mirrors. Or my side mirrors. I don't see him behind me anymore. I saw him come when I passed, so I turn around because I look behind me, and obviously I don't see my friend.
No.
And so I'm hauling ass back down this mountainside to see what had happened, and I figured he went down because I didn't see him anymore. And lo and behold, he is right there down. So I'm coming back down the mountainside. I start to turn in. I notice my friend coming up as well. He looked like he was coming up fairly quick. GoPro doesn't do good justice on that because it's a super view, so you can see a lot more of the scenery side. I dropped the bike, and right here I'm going to tell, as you can probably hear, telling him to slow down. And this bike is not that light, and I'm on a downhill slope picking that bitch up. I did hurt my shoulder from that, so there's two mistakes here.
You okay?
What we did, I really appreciate this guy as well. What we did was stupid. I'll admit it was very, very dumb. Two people got injured. It should not have happened. I kind of hate this. Hate watching it. Hate seeing it, I guess. But yeah, he's fine. I'm fine now. Everyone's good. We were passing in a blind curve. It was all of our air, and you'll see. I'm just there to make sure he's all right. He's fine. Comfort. Bike is replaceable. He is not. That's how I was viewing the situation.
That's replaceable.
So we're just talking about it. He said he's fine. He's fine. No visible damage. So we get the bike up. And you'll see here in a second, his brand new double bubble is just shredded. It just broke. We were in a super bad spot to be, but you can see it's all scraped. It's still fine. It runs. It's drivable. But he's sad. I know he's sad. And I'm just trying to comfort him, make sure he's all right. I really appreciate the guy that stopped with us. All in all, it was a great day until this happened. It's a learning experience for him. This guy's, I really appreciate him. He's a G.
No. I was trying to turn, and he
but this
came
was
around
just
and
an unfortunate series of events that had happened. And if it wasn't for my stupidity and not, if I wouldn't have passed the car, he wouldn't have wrecked because he's trying to keep up with me, and I'm not trying to say I'm a better rider than him, but I do have a little bit more experience, and I knew my limit. And I'm gonna go ahead and just cut the video here. I just wanted to talk about that. It's all user error at this point, and the footage that you're seeing now is just gonna be like just part of the ride back. The bike was rideable back. Obviously, Joker couldn't ride the bike back because his knee was injured and I had it taped up, bandaged. Realistically, he couldn't bend it to keep the gauze in place. But I just wanted to get that out there. Just things happen on the road, so any riders that watch this and see, make sure you're paying attention. If you hesitate, don't commit. It's one of the things, if you were to go see his perspective, because I don't have it, he hesitated. He got on the throttle, let off, and then got it back on the throttle, didn't downshift going up a hill. It's all user error. Things that will come as you ride. But I was just pacing him, staying with him, because that's our buddy riding Joker's bike back. All in all, it was a fun day. It was a learning experience. Shit happens. Just learn from it. Mistakes, just is what it is. And ride your own ride. Realistically, that's all I want to get out there. Just ride your own ride. If you're being pushed or peer pressured by your fellow riders, don't cave in. Just ride your own ride. That's literally all you got to do, and you shall be successful. If you haven't taken the safety course, take the safety course. I really, really, really recommend it. Helps you better fundamentally understand a bike and how it operates. but I'm gonna stop yapping here. Just wanted to talk about it realistically. Like I said, it's been something I've been putting off. Joker wants me to upload it. He's been hounding me, so this is me doing it, so he can kind of like hop off my back. But anyway, y'all have a wonderful day. Go follow him, subscribe, like his videos. I don't care. Just go to his page. I'm just here just to throw up content from time to time. But we shall see. We shall see. But I love everything y'all keep doing. I appreciate it. Y'all have fun. Ride safe. I love y'all. Bye-bye.